Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Blue color, brown color, orange color, yellow color, pink color, red color, violet color, green color, sky blue color, green color. One. This green color. Two. Thick green color. Three. Red color. Four. Pink color. Five. Brown color. Six. Orange color. Seven. Blue color. Eight. Yellow color. Nine. Red color. 10. Green color. 11. Yellow color. 12. Brown color. 13. Blue color. 14. Pink color. 15. Green color. 16. Violet color. 17. Green color. 18. Sky blue color. 19. Brown color. 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, bye kids.